Paul Pazolga, Ivy Masters Learning Center, and IvyMasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 37th question from this digital SAT Test 1 potato version. And it reads, graph of 7x plus 2y equals negative 31. An xy plane has an x-intercept at a0 and a y-intercept at 0b, where a and b are constants. What is the value of b? So whenever you have a coordinate in an equation, it makes sense for you to plug them in. So here we've got a comma 0. We could solve for a. So this is another way to say x comma y. So in place of x, I'm going to put a. In place of y, I'm going to put 0. And then the equation becomes, I'll write it over here, 7 times a plus 2 times 0 equals negative 31. And 7 times a is just 7a. 2 times 0 is just 0. Equals negative 31. And of course, 7a plus 0 is just 7a equals negative 31. And divide both sides by 7. This cancels. A is negative 31 over 7. Let's do the same to find the b. And anytime you have the y-intercept, x is 0, and x-intercept, y is 0. So the same thing, this is your x comma y. And so in place of x, I'm going to put 0. So this becomes 7 times 0 plus 2 times b equals negative 31. And 7 times 0 is just 0 plus 2b equals negative 31. And 0 plus 2b is just going to be 2b equals negative 31. And divide both sides by 2. 2's cancel. b equals negative 31 over 2. So now when we do b over a, what you want to notice is that it's a negative over negative. So the answer, negative over negative, is always going to be a positive. So it can't be A or B. I crossed out C by mistake. So then let's put our B there. Negative 31 over 2 over negative 31 over 7. Now you could also ask yourself, which one's bigger? Negative 31 over 2 or negative 31 over 7? Negative 31 over 2 is going to be bigger, so you know the bigger number's got to be on top. So know that the answer is going to be D, but how would you finish it? I could either multiply the top and bottom of this by 7 over negative 31, or you could think of it as follows. Every fraction is just a division problem. This is the same as negative 31 over 2 divided by negative 31 over 7. And remember your keep, change, flip. This is negative 31 over 2. You keep the first fraction, you change division to multiplication, and you flip the second fraction. And notice, the negative 31s cancel. Negative 31 times 7 is the same as 7 times negative 31. And if the negative 31 over on top of the negative 31, it was just cancel out. You could cancel it out. And this becomes 1, this becomes 1. Multiply the tops, you get 7. Multiply the bottoms, you get 2. 7 over 2, once again, is your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these types of questions. It's really Algebra 1, linear equation stuff. The double fraction, maybe you have trouble with that. Is there any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.